There we go. Here we go. There. I think. Yeah, there we go. All right. Okay. I have audio now. Booyah. Audio has been achieved. All right. So what we're gonna do today is got the Trello board all set up here on the side. To try and figure out what exactly we want to do. I'm going to do the base character AI. So right now, both the AI, so if I go into here, I've got the AI character. I want to move this into player. And I want to move this third person blueprint here into player as well. And I want to create a base from it, kind of thing. So I'm gonna work on that really quickly. So we'll do is come into player, and then do third. Wait, no, let's do a blueprint from GM3 character. And this will be BP player. Oh, wait. No, this is wrong. Sorry. I'm being crazy here. Duplicate. BP player character. And then we're going to move that into player, move here. And then AI, I think there's some references to this. Reference viewer. Yeah, there's the one reference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just retarget this one here. Edit blueprint. And blueprint editor. And then here we're going to reparent it. Oh wait, this is just based off of that. Oh, sweet. Okay. So this, I'm going to just delete this. Here, should I delete it? I want to say yes. Because I think this has everything in it, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to here, move here. One item moved, player. There we go. Beautiful. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this blueprint and we're going to move it here. And then we're going to rename this. Rename. And this will be BP base character. And this just allows us to have this blueprint that I'm not really sure exactly how I haven't, because it's like the handle punch event thing, which is like, I'm not really sure how that works with between blueprints and C++ right now, because I'm still new to this. So I'm just going to leave this in blueprints for now. Yeah, save. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to make this the base, and then these two are going to be on top of it, right? So here we're going to edit, and here we're going to say, where is it? There's a reparent blueprint. Yeah. BP base character. And then this can be deleted. There. And we should still experience that. And then this here, we actually want to delete this here. So if we do player character, we do that. And then I'm going to take a look at what the difference here between this character, open blueprint editor, and this character is open blueprint editor. So wait, did I put in the wrong one? Did I? Wait. Oh, no, I didn't. Wait. That's not the one I wanted. That's the player character. This one here. I want to edit this blueprint. No. That's the base character blueprint. Oh, okay. So I'm just going insane here. All right. So let's just save. Slowly go insane here. How's it going? I haven't. I'll get to do this. So there's a blend issue that just got brought to my attention. Blend issue. Actually, I'll create the ticket on this side here. So add card, issue with blending on punch, punch because is attacking is not currently set. Boom. Cover, label, task, software. So we'll do both of these right now. Let's see here. Let me also just do one other thing here. Oops. I did not, oops, didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this. Okay. All right, so I guess we'll have to take a break from this logic here and come straight back to the base. And we're going to, in here, we're going to do the punch. Actually, I think that's going to be in the gas ability here. Would it be? Let's take a quick look here, because I think this is where it's being set, right? Apply gameplay effect. This plays the montage. Notify on notify begin. Event called when using play montage notify, or play montage notify with the notify montage. I think this is what we're looking for here. Okay, so what we'll do here is we're going to do that. Okay, so we need the character, right? So return value owning actor. Okay, so it's going to be this one here, right? So then we'll cast this to a GM3 character here. And this will be on begin notify here. And then here we're going to come out and say set is attacking to true. And then what we can do is we can copy and paste this, and we're going to do this here and do it on the end notify. And we're going to say is attacking false. And that should fix the blend. Although I'm not really entirely sure what's broken in the blend. So, so that is also a thing that I don't know. Because I just don't pick up on these things super well. Let's take a look, see what's going on here. Which character? No, there we are. So I think it's this. Or maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Oops. When moving, we only want to run the upper body animation. Ah. Oh, that makes sense. And that is because of the, okay. So it was explained to me on what I did wrong here. Okay, so it would be here. We go into here. I think it's here, right? Is attacking. This should be returning true based off the character, right? Because the is attacking is part of, oh, maybe. Okay, so what if I do this, is attacking, right? Get is attacking. We do this instead, right? Is that the same thing? No, yeah, that's the same thing. This should be getting set. Oh, right, because I've got it so it's playing the animation. Okay, I got this in the wrong spot. That's why. Oops, save. So I put this in the wrong spot here. We actually want to do it at before the animation. So this would go here, and then this would come up here, right? This is so confusing to me. Okay, so let's do this. We'll move this over here in this mess of code that I've blueprint stuff that I've been working on here. Wait, why is that going to a weird spot? This needs to break. Break all pins. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. And then this is a set here, like so. On complete and interrupt, we want to set is, oh yeah. Here. I think this just wants to be here. And then this will say break all links. Because that one we added and we don't actually care about, as was pointed out to me here. So save compile. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's play. There's no, we're still doing it. Why is that happening? Something setting it on complete and intro. I added a notify to the montage for when the hit happens. Oh, that is weird. Yeah. Well, we're using that notify. That notify gets used right here. So that's great. Or is it? I think it's here. No, wait. Where is it? It's so this waits for that. And then there's like there's a notify, right? Actually I think it's in the character. One sec, let me bring up the character here. Where did I put it? It was here, yeah. The base character. Okay, so the handle punch thing, I still need to rename that because I was just following a tutorial for this. But so handle punch is what triggers on the notify, and then this handles the I landed a punch notify thingy that is capable of actually executing the event. Yeah. So that needs to be renamed. But yeah, so like mainly because it's going to handle more than just punching. It's going to handle all attacks is the idea. I set it up to be, where this is the gameplay tag, and then the gameplay tag gets set, which then triggers the this here to happen, right? So yeah, it's like a whole system, so like we don't have to do a bunch of if statements for like trolling around stuff. But this is not getting set correctly. So I think if I come into here, is it because like if I watch this, this should work, right? Like I should say, I think it's this one, right? Which character is it? This is the character I'm playing, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah. Okay. So the third person character is who I'm playing as, which is this one here. And then I want the event graph here, and something's preventing it from getting down here. So I'm going to move this over here so we can see it happen. See if we can see it happen. I don't think that I'm the right character. Here. Print. Let's do this. We'll see. We'll see what's going on here. Hello. Here, and we'll do a branch quickly. Branch. Attack is set, and then the false will print attack not set. There we go. Save, compile. All right, and then play. And then if we then move this back over. Oh, wow, it's like going through that constantly. Yeah, so attack is not getting set for one reason or another. Although I think what I want to do, because it's a bit spammy here, is just we'll delete the not set and just send it straight over. Save, compile. Okay, then hit play. Oh, attack is set. Interesting. Okay, so now, wait. Huh. I wonder if it's like a blend thing where it's using the wrong one, because I moved that the initial code for this into C++, right? So like the is attacking and stuff like that are now functions that can be called, right? Oh, this is probably it here. Oops. Did I remove that? I might have removed it. Here, I have an idea. Sorry. I close this. Don't save. Actually, I probably should have saved that. Okay, so let's go to the character. The player character here is alive, right? And then we have the B is attacking. If I just make this some functions, right? So function blueprint callable category character bool is attacking. void set is attacking. Bool. Let's see, bool. We'll just say value. Right, and then we'll make this also a blueprint. And then here we will generate the implementation, and this will return is attacking. And then here we will generate the implementation, and this will be b is attacking equals value. And then it's going to complain that this could be a const, so we'll add that, and let's launch that. Ooh, I bumped my microphone there. All right, now we're loading up. Here we go. So now if we go back into the mannequin animations, scroll down here, we go to the graph here, we do character is attacking. There, and then save. Save, compile, minimize, play. It works there, which is, oh, right, because I put it in. Right. I am silly. I only put it in one of them. That's why. Let's put it in the gas abilities, light melee attack, because light melee attack's a little bit easier. Was it this one? Oh yeah. Here, I was just zoomed in at the wrong spot here, and here I want to do the heavy, and it might be because I'm like, maybe I'm setting this in the wrong spot here. On complete. Yeah, I think this needs to be moved. X. Here. Then we'll move this over like so. Move this to here. Move this over like so. We'll connect these up. And I think this could just be moved over. And then here we will grab the return owner actor. I think it's this one. There. Save, compile. Let's see if this works. Why? Why does this hate? Save, compile. Oh wait, I didn't move it over for the light and whatnot. Okay, so let's do that quickly here. Well, we're gonna copy. Sorry, this was the heavy that I modified. Here, delete, paste, move this up. There, and then this one here comes down. And then we're gonna bring this in here, which we'll paste here. And then this comes up like so, this here, this here. Let's move this down a bit here. We'll move this here and this over like so. Then save, compile. Let's see if it works. It's probably not going to work. Okay, so that works. It never unsets it apparently. Oh no, it does. It does. It does. Except for then it like just doesn't work. So good. So amazing. Okay. Maybe I've got this in the wrong spot here. Maybe it's like happening too quickly. Like maybe the order is wrong, right? Like maybe the order is wrong, right? So like on end ability, maybe that would be no, because that should only happen on complete, right? Or on interrupt, which we don't even have an interrupt that I know of here. So maybe I screwed this here up, right? Although like this is working, right? Oh. Oh no, I'm an idiot. I think I found the problem. Okay, one sec. Can you stop following me? Yeah, there we go. I fixed it. There we go. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So sometimes you just need to do the right thing instead of the wrong thing. Good at that doing the wrong thing part apparently. Oh god, no, I didn't mean to do that. Delete that. Delete that. Then this gets moved over here. This gets moved down. Why do it the easy way when you can do it the wrong way? It's so true. Save, compile. There we go. Beautiful. All right. There we go. Amazing. Punch landed. Sweet. All right. So now that the animations are fixed, we can commit that code here. Git status. What branch am I on? Git branch. Oh, okay. Content. Git status. Git add source. Git status. Git commit. Fixed animation blends for punching. Git push origin master. Sweet. That's pushed up. All right. So the next thing that we were going to work on was going to be we can check that as done is create the base class. So we want to finish that up here. And I think that's mostly done. The only thing that we need to do now is change the actual player here, this guy here, from being this character to being a third person character to being a player character, right? So let's move him over here, right? And then I want to delete this and just hit play and see if it works. It does not work. It kind of works. It kind of works. it just goes straight to the network start, which I also don't want. Like, stop, save current, play. What? What is this? Is it just like a random spot? Update game mode. Wait, the game mode? Set the world setting? Oh, yeah. BP, BP player. There we go. Play. Let's see. Player character. Should be this one, right? Unless this one doesn't have the auto possess or whatever turned on. BP player character. It's let's see, collapse all. What was it? It was auto possess or something like that. Auto possess player 0, right? Save, compile. Ah, there we go. I don't even know if that's the correct way to do it or not, but at this point, just it works. There we go. I got it working. Boom. All right, let's we can count this as done now. Save selected. To do add content, get status, get commit. Added, updated to use a base character class over for both AI and player. Push origin master. Okay. Now I can move this one over to done. Add an indicator to enemy character. There we go. Oops, didn't mean to save. There we go. So now we want to add a like little health widget above the characters. So I think we want to do that probably just on the AI because there's no reason to have it also on the player since you've got a better health bar. We'll put a better health bar on the HUD, right? So here, I guess in this case, probably like want to do UI. I think this is like a UI. What would it be? It would be like a UI. Where is it? User interface. I think it's a widget blueprint. Enemy. Sorry, we'll do BP and enemy. Loading health bar. And then I want to say that from here we can do just like there's a progress bar. We'll just add this and we'll make it red. There. And right now it's aligned to I think it's set at 0 at the moment. Anyways, let's also center this. I see there's some delay. There is some delay. There's always a little bit of delay. So we're going to anchor this to the center, and then we'll reset all the positions. And I think that this X needs to be like 0.5 there, and then this also needs to be 0.5 to actually put it directly in the center. And then Where is the percent? Oh, here we go. 0%. I think. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So this percent will need to bind. Create a new binding. I want to rename this though. How come I can't rename it? How do I rename? Do I have to like... Oh, it's a... Wait, it's a variable? Why can't it be renamed? F2? Oh, it's not letting me. Weird. I also don't want it to be a... Wait, design here. I think I bound it to the wrong thing anyways. Remove binding. No, it's supposed to be that, but it's supposed to be a function. Where's my function? Oh, here it is. Again, I get character health percent. To save, compile, graph. No, not graph. This one here, this. Come back down to here, bind, get character health, save, compile. I shouldn't have unbounded in the first place. And then it'd be get actor info or get actor info. Get info. What would it be? Get player pawn, maybe? No. Get character? Be this. No, because this still wants the index. I don't want the index. Or isn't get parent? Parent actor? No. Get owning pawn. Get owning pawn. Winning. Yes. Get... sorry, this would be a cast then to base character. And then here we would have get attribute set. Then wait, what? Interesting. I didn't think that you could do that. All right. Get max health. Wait, what? No, this should be a function. Get. All right, whatever. Get health. There. Turn value. Is it, when we do this divide, is it, it's 100. 75 divided by 100. There we go. Wait, this should be a float. No, that's why. How did I do it for the other UI? I have another, give me 1 second here. I'm gonna see how I did it for this one. I think that this I just did in like C++. I did it entirely in C++. I finished downloading finally. Nice. All right, okay. Let's see. Now, if I come back to this HUD widget here, right? We have like all of these. So if I go to like the get health text, why is it not dropping to it? Oh, okay. It's just taking its time. Weird. Okay. Attribute is valid, right? Get max health. Oh, okay. So I probably have to do the is valid in here, right? Attribute set is valid branch. I think I should just switch this over to use C++, to be honest. Get. This is supposed to be a function. Yeah, I'm just going to switch over and use this. I'm going to do C++ for this. It's going to be easier for me. Delete. Actually, I'll leave this so I can just copy it and reparent. C++, GM, public, UI, new class, show all. This would be a widget. What was it again? Just give me a second here. User widget, that's what it was. User widget. GM3 loading health bar widget. Or yeah, floating health bar widget, create. All right. And once this is finished compiling, now we've got this, and it's going to be so much easier for me. So here we'll have some public stuff. We're going to do, it's going to return back a float. This will be get health %. And this can be a const. Then here we'll generate the implementation. And then this would be the getting of the, what was it? It was the owner or whatever. I'm going to use this here as a template. So I go over to the graph. What we're going to do is get owning player. Get owning player. Here I'm going to create a protected, and this needs to be a U function that I forgot to do, and then blueprint callable, and then category equals GM3 UI. Then here we're going to have a T-weak object pointer, and this will be of type GM3 player character. No, that's player controller. AGM3 character, sorry. And this will be character. Then and then we'll do one more here. So this will be void set character control character. Wait. Here we'll say get or set character. Here, and then what we're going to do here is get owning player, and we're going to do a cast. So the first thing that we'll do is if character dot is valid, and we'll turn this into a not. Or no, actually, this we want it to be if is valid, return character. But I forgot and made this wrong. This needs to be a return type of AGM3 character pointer there, and this needs to be get. And then we need to go over to here and change this to be an AGM3 character pointer. Beautiful. Amazing. So this is our early exit if it is set, and then if it's not set, what we want to do is if get owning player, and here we want to say actually no, because it returns does it return a null pointer? I think it's a null pointer. Say a GM3 character pointer is new character equals, or actually we could do this. Yeah, we'll just say new character. Cast a GM3 character get owning player. If new character, if not new character, return null pointer. And then this will be, actually I think this can just be a return here. Yeah. No, because we need to set it. Sorry. Character equals new character. And then return new character. And then here we'll say current character. And this will be an AGM3 character equals get or set character. This might not actually be the right way to do it, but whatever. If current character wait, why is this causing a problem here? Protected method. What's the error? Where's the error? Give me my error. Cannot convert this. Wait. Health bar const to. Oh, right. This can't be a const anymore. That's why. Because there's the potential for a set in there, right? There we go. Just like, why is this happening? So if not, return o.f. And then here we can do current character get attribute set. And then from here, we just need to do we need to set the attribute at this point as well. Here, and this will be a T weak object pointer and a GM3 attribute set. How did I do it in this? There was like a whole rigmarole that I went through here. This is the health bar. If attribute set. Oh yeah, this goes through a bit of a different setup, that's why. Also, probably not correct. There's probably better ways to do that. Okay, so yeah, wait. I think in this case it doesn't matter that much. We'll just do it here since we've only got it for like one spot anyways right now. If current character. Okay, so here we'll say current, oh sorry, we'll say, yeah, current character if this will also be or sorry, no, this needs to be an and character current character. And character. Get attribute set is valid. Oh wait, no, this does the actual get. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And then if this is the case, right, we want to say a GM3 attribute set. Oh, sorry, GM3 attribute set, which is a U. And this would be current character get attribute set. Wait, what? Oh, right. Class. Get attribute set. There we go. And then here we can say attribute set. Then here we'll say attribute set get max health and attribute set get health. And these return floats. Health equals float max health equals. And then here we'll say return. Actually, don't need these to be this. We can just return that divided by this. I think I have these backwards. But we'll find out. Stop, rerun. There we go. All right, then we go to UI. There's this. We can click through. This has a graph, which now we want to delete these, right? So we'll come over to back to the design. We'll click on this little item here, and then we go down to the percent. And we're just going to unbind it, remove binding. And then save, compile. And then we'll go back into the graph, and we'll just delete this. And we're going to delete this function here, right? save, compile, and then we'll reparent this blueprint to the floating health widget, right? And then if we come back to the design, we can grab the it did rebind, right? Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Delete. Okay, save, compile. It is rebound, right? Okay. Progress bar. Here, bind. Why is it not seeing it this time? Did I make this wrong? Where's my other one? Here. We want to go to the parent. Function is not implemented. What the hell are you talking about? Okay, this needs to be, I'm just going to relaunch. My indexing is all kinds of screwed up. Okay, GM3. We launch this. This should properly index this time instead of being screwy. Because these are definitely actually there. I don't know why they're not showing up. They are tagged as blueprint callable here and in the other one, right? So here this is blueprint callable, right? So this should work, right? If I'm not insane, which I'm fairly certain I'm not insane. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. It actually will like go through and go to the correct stuff now. Okay, let's go back into here. This should just work. This is supposed to just work. Bind. Did I literally do something wrong? Because like there's nothing in my graph here, right? Yeah, I've got nothing in my graph. But the designer, and it binds correctly to my functions. But in here, for some reason, it doesn't want to bind. What if I do this? Save, compile. Then go back to the designer. Here. It's like it's not bound to the right thing. Maybe I need to recreate it. I might need to recreate this. Delete. Yeah, I'm just gonna recreate it. Call it a recreating. Delete. Floating health bar, force delete. Yeah. Blueprint. Oh wait. Cancel. Come down here. Oh wait, no. I do want the blueprint because I need it to be a GM3. GM3 UI. Wait, what did we call it again? Floating health. GM3 floating health bar widget. Select. BP enemy health bar. Now, I think this should work. Well, I almost feel like this is wrong because I think I need this to have something more to it. But but hey, who knows? Maybe I need a canvas? Do I need a canvas? I need a canvas, right? Or do I need a canvas? Unreal Engine floating health bar. How does this get created? How can I create a floating health bar in the enemy? Create a new widget and add some kind of representation for health. I assume that you're using a progress bar. Add 2 floats to your widget. Add a 3rd float. Go into the progress bar. Add the function. Solution using widget component. Okay, so this needs to be a widget component. I think this is a widget component. So let's just try it. Holy shit, that's huge. Okay. We'll close that. We'll just silently delete this. We'll create a new one. You add a widget component to the enemy. Okay. But wait, so here though, this looks right? Like in the character. I know, but like so I do it completely through the character here? Okay, wait 1 sec. So I go character, then I go to the blueprint here. And here. Collapse all. Wait, I think I expanded all. Collapse all, yeah. And then I think I need to do this. And then here I add new character, open full, then add new, wait, where is this? It's add new component. Widget. No, wait, it's a widget component. Yeah, so this one here. Right? Yes, maybe. I think. Floating health bar. Okay. And then in here, inside of this, I move this here up, right? So it's like there. And then on wait, inside of here, floating health bar, we add a new component, maybe? I think you should be able to set it in there. Okay, so like, oh, okay, wait, maybe? Parent socket, material, user interface, world screen, real time. Wait, what? Timing. Don't think it's this one. Okay. 1 sec. You should be able to set it there somehow. Yeah, I think there's probably like a thing here where we actually add it. widget. Is it that? Did I do this wrong? I feel like I did this wrong. Custom. The option still doesn't pop up. Weird. Okay, so the widget component provides a surface in 3D environment which renders a widget normally, rendering to the screen widget. Then renders the target displays in the world. Material properties set by the component material. Override slate. Is it the slate that I want then? I will. 2 secs. I will check check a project I have it set up in. Sweet. Okay, so it's not a physics material. It's not a collision stuff. There's I want to say it's this. Oh, wait. Here we go. Oh, I found it. Yeah. That's not quite what I want though. I found it. Sweet. Until after stream, it's all good. Okay, so now I go into here and I think I create it, right? So I go to UI here and I create my blueprint thingy, right? It will be a bit hidden. Okay, so now I do the GM3 hover thingy, widget thingy here. BP enemy health bar. And then I think in here I add a canvas. I want to say that I'll add a canvas. Although I could be wrong, and this might not need a canvas and just might be able to straight up just be a progress bar. We'll start with this, just being a progress bar. But again, our binding doesn't show up. Maybe it does need to be on a canvas. What if I just do this binding and then here we'll say get health percent. Oh, now it works. All right. It's a thing. I don't even understand. I don't understand why that needs to be there like that, but it's a thing. It happens. Let's see if this works. I don't think it's going to because nothing ever works that easily. Oh, look, it didn't show up. I probably need the canvas. Okay, so I'm guessing that I need the canvas then. So let's do a canvas panel. And then we'll do the progress bar. Yeah. Then we'll anchor it to the center. We'll do the reset and then we'll give this 0.5, 0.5. That will center it. And then down in the binding here, we'll bind it to that get percent and then save, compile. And then we'll hit play. And it doesn't show up. Let's see if it even is attached to anything. It's not attached. Oh wait, I don't think I actually attached it, did I? It totally helps if I attach it, right? Widget class. Give me a health bar. There we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. Save, compile. There we go. I made a thing. Did it work? Oh man. Goes without sending. Oh man. So good when you completely screw things up. Oh right. If not current character. Return 0.0. There we go. Just beautiful. Beautiful. It's like amazing. All right, let's see. Play. Oh, look at that. It kind of works. It kind of sort of works. Okay. So what we want to do is enemy health progress bar, right? So what we want to do is come over here and the health bar. Let's go to the graph. So it is theoretically working. I think it does follow the camera. No, it does not. It does not follow the camera. It does not do that. Right now, I want to just try and get it to just update correctly. So let's say here we'll say if greater, or we'll say greater than. If greater than 0, branch. There. False, print string. Now, I think the issue here is that AI does not have a AI doesn't have the attributes, right? So let's take a look here. Yeah, we're hitting that false branch, and I think the false branch is because we're getting the 0 back due to the AI not having the attributes. Save, compile, close. Let's go back to the AI player here. I think that oh wait, that's why. First things first, I want to reparent this. Oh wait, no, do I want to reparent this? Yes, no, I do want to reparent this. I don't know why this hasn't been reparented. This is BP base character. All right, and then here we want AI, which is the AI controller, which we want to open up. And I think in here we do the want state or whatever. Oh, I hate this so much. Okay, so I'm going to close that because that just like is silly. And was really just there for debugging purposes. GM3 character. Yes, that's correct. So it should be a GM3 character. And if it's a GM3 character, I should have an attribute set. Unless the attribute set is being set on, not set because it's not set in state. It's set on the actual character itself. So it should just be working. Save, compile. Play. Oh, wait. I might have flipped it, and that's why. Get max health. Get health. It's probably this. Save all. Just also do this because for some reason it doesn't always save correctly. Beautiful, play. Uh, 90. Here we go. Let's hit play. Oh, we're still getting a 0 back. Let's do some debugging here. So we'll go into here. If this is here, we'll print there, and we'll do a trace error. Character not found. And then here we'll do another trace error. Character has no attribute set. Stop and rerun. Okay, and this will hopefully make all the difference. It's probably not going to at all because I'm doing stuff wrong. Play. Okay, there we go. And then we'll see the log here. So it's straight up interesting. Yeah, okay. Attribute set invalid. Why does that do it when I... Weird. Anyway, so character not found is the problem. Clear. So that does not work here. What if... so if character is valid. Okay. New character. So this is probably the problem here. Is get owning player doesn't work. Gets the player controller associated with this UI. Returns the player controller that owns the UI. Okay, so let's see. Wait, what? Oh, gets the player controller. Get owning actor? So it's not a player controller, and that's probably why. AI. Let's see what this does. Player context. Yeah, okay. Player controller. It's not. It's never a player controller. This is why. This is why it's not working, of course. Okay, so that's the problem. Is that it doesn't like that it's not a player, right? UI widget get AI get parent AI. So would it just be get parent then? Would that just work? Get parent. Yeah, this should just work. Get parent. Let's try this. The worst thing that can happen is it crashes. And since I'm so used to crashing that it just doesn't matter anymore. Use of undefined type. Okay, so yeah, no, that does not work. Okay, not at all, of course. What if I do u function blueprint callable category equals gm3 UI void set current character. Set, I'll just call it set character like that. And then this will take in a AGM3 character. And we'll say new character. And then here we'll just generate it. And then this will be character equals new character. Beautiful. Then we can just do this. Just not even care about that. There we go. And then this here doesn't need to be there. And we can just say character. And then here we'll say character. Beautiful. And then do is valid. Beautiful. And then this can now run. And what we're going to do is inside of the blueprint, we'll call the set. And then that will allow us to just set it on begin play or whatever, or on possess. I think on possess makes the most sense. So this will be player. And then AI character. This is the most blueprinty stuff that I've ever done. Possess. Event possessed. Controller. Get owning actor info. Get character. It was get owning character, I think. Controller character. Oh wait, no, because this is a base character. So it's just self. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Floating health bar. Set Set. Set. Why is this not working? What in the blue hell here? Set. Character. That's weird. That's really, really weird. Why is that happening? On component activated? Set character. Okay, here's the component. Set character. Weird. Oh, that's why. Cast. Wait, no. This is the character, and this is the self. Self. Here, self. Self. Get reference to self. There we go. There. Save, compile. Wait, what? Third person anime blueprint reference. Wait, what? Third person. Set. Actor component object. If that's a thing, maybe I can just do it from within the C++ here. To do on, what was it, activate? Okay, on component activated, called when the component has been activated with parameters indicated. No, that's not quite what I want. I want it to happen on possess, but I think in order for that to, on begin overlap, on, yeah, so this would be still an on possess. Event possessed, yeah. Okay. This gives me the controller, but we still have self, which is the parent, right? And then the parent, we have our floating health bar. Our floating health bar should have some GM3 stuff, but for some reason it doesn't, and I don't know why. Maybe this needs to be cast. Cast GM. Did I grab? No, it's the right thing. Oh, wait. Get widget? Wait. Okay. So here's the health bar, which is the widget component. Then in the widget component, we set it here, which is the widget class. Okay, so there's the widget class. We want to get get widget. Here. And then this needs to be cast to a floating health bar. And then from here we can do the set set character. That's not complicated at all, you know. This is all normal. I see nothing wrong with this. Say this in the most facetious way possible. There's so much wrong with this. Not used. Okay, so did this work? Character not found. Of course, characters. Why is it not? Why does this, like, it changes? Attributes are not. Can't they tell? Is it the attribute or not? Like, what the hell? What's going on? Why is this so complicated? Maybe I made it the wrong type. I don't even know. I don't even know what I did wrong. So there's the set character, right? So this should set. Let's see if maybe it's just not setting. Set character. Oh, sorry, print. Print string. Yeah. Save. Compile. Play. Boo. Did he? Yeah, no, it totally didn't work. Okay, so it's not get widget. Let's see what else it could be. Get user widget object. Probably this one. Let's try that. Save, compile, play. Boo, still didn't work. Stop. Okay, so this is a widget component. And then this is the widget class. On event possessed. When it's possessed, it should create when it's possessed, right? Okay, so that didn't work. So get set widget. Sets the widget to use directly. No, it should definitely be get widget. Get you. Get. Why does this hate me? Get owner. Follow. No, not that. Get child. Would it be a child component then? Like, I feel like this is something that should be easier than it is. Why is this being difficult? Get widget. I really feel like it should be this one. But why is this one not working? Right? Like, this should just be here. And this should, by default, be a... Oh, right. I want this to be the cast BP enemy health bar thingy here, right? I feel like this is also going to fail because I'm probably not doing it right. Oh, wait. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Wait, no, I still didn't do this right. GM3, floating health bar, cast GM3, floating health bar. Widget. As this self. Get reference to self. Save, compile. Boo. Should that just be like an on tick thing then maybe? Like, why is this not working? This is the event graph for this, so like, what the hell? Okay, let's go to here. Not that one, this one here. Maybe this here will be the trick. We'll go to the graph here, and then can this even work? Get okay. Ooh, what if I do this? Component activated. Called when the component has been activated with parameter indicating if it was reset. Think this is probably the one that I want here. We'll do this. Save, compile. Let's see if this one works. Boo. So it just never gets activated. I hate life. Why does this hate me so much? I have no idea what I'm doing here. Component set character. So good. Okay. Yeah. Let's be get widget. Get use editor only. Component replicated. I don't care about overlapping events for this collision. Tick when off screen. Start tick when enabled. Sure. We could do the on tick, but then like I don't think that's right either. Okay, so I think what I need to do is find a better way than using this set character here. So come here and we need to figure out a way to get the character. Get parent. Would this would be the UI panel widget, right? And then this would be get character. Get parent. What would this be? This would be UI. Okay, so that doesn't work. Get owning. Widget blueprint. Get window owner maybe? Cannot resolve. No. Get why does this hate me so much? Get say pawn or character. Set character. Get player character. Don't want either of those. Everything hates me, and I don't know why. Okay, let's see if we can figure this one out here. UE for hovering health bar, floating health bar. Sure, set variable. Get owning player. Get owning player pawn. It specifically stated that I couldn't use get owning pawn. I mean, get owning player. Because like the second I put that into here, it caused a crash. Get owning player. Yeah, because that returns a player controller. Get owning pawn. A pawn. Oh, here we go. To do. Okay, let's try this. A GM3 character. Character equals get owning pawn, and we'll cast to a GM3 character. And then we're gonna go to here. Sorry, we're gonna go to here, and we're gonna delete this character here and the set because we're not going to use it. And we're going to take the hit on this being being called all the time, and we'll come back to it, kind of thing, right? So if I recompile, do we want multiple tracks or just one? I want to know if I should spend more time looking for instruments. Skip. So then we'll go to AI controller. Here. Then I don't care about this. Save, compile, and then hit play. What's this? Character has no attribute sets. Oh, yay! It worked. It kind of worked. That's beautiful. Okay, so we got further. This works. But the character has no attribute sets. So we're in a good spot. Yes. Okay, so now here, I thought that we did the character attributes here. Oh, wait. Character here, base AI. Save. Close. Oh, I wish it wouldn't do that. I wish I could get rid of this since we're not using it at all. Oh, wait, no, we are because we needed that. Right. Class defaults. Here we go. Attributes. Setup effects. No, this is all correct. GM3. Ability system component, yeah. Default attributes were this, yes. Okay, so these should all be working. And here we'll say GM3. Wait a second. We're missing attribute system component. Why does this not have an attribute system component? Attribute system component, yeah. It should be like right here. Ability system component. It's just missing. Cool. Hate life sometimes. Just want things to work. Not yet. Let's see. Is it like I'm missing something? I got to be missing something here. Why does the character not getting attributes? Warrior level, yeah. So I should have the attribute unless, where is it here? Get attribute set here, and then we'll just find usage. Okay, so this just sets up the character. Okie dokie. Interesting. Base character default. Now, okay, default attribute set. Default attributes. Startup effects. I know I'm doing something wrong here. I'm missing something. I'm like overlooking it. I've got to be overlooking it. Unless I flipped it wrong again. Maybe that's it. Like I flipped it wrong. No, because it's literally stating that there's no attribute set. So has no attribute set. Wait, is that correct? Stop and rerun. It might not be right. It might be wrong. I might have something wrong. I probably have something wrong. Okay. Player. Base AI. Here. Play. Shift F1. Log. Has no attribute set, of course. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Why does it have no attribute set though? How does it start calling this? Attribute set invalid. How does it? Yeah, it can't get past here if the attribute set is invalid. You widget get. How are you broken like this? Okay, GM3. Oh, you know, it's just. Yeah, okay. There's that, and then I come to the AI. Derived, yeah, okay, yeah. Those should be working. Unless, no, effects. These are just straight up, yeah, these have no logic. And I didn't, these are just blank gameplay effects, abilities. GM3, yeah. And GM3, yeah, okay. Those both work. Then where am I initializing them? I feel like I'm slowly going insane because it's been so long since I actually looked at this. There's the create for the default there, right? Find usage. If attribute set. If not, attribute set trace error. Unable to set up attribute set. It's the only thing I can think of at this point. Like, it should just be working, but it's not. Okay, let's see. This game hates me. Clear log. Okay, so if I come back over to here, we know that this is working here. We know that this is where it's, so we'll just say trace character has attribute set. Here we go. Stop. Play. Now we won't get as much spam, right? Log. Okay, interesting. Attribute set invalid. It's got to be that then. It shouldn't be able to do this. Output logs. Clear. Play. What the? HUD window? Wait, what? My HUD? How is my HUD not? Oh, weird. Somehow I broke my HUD. How the hell did I break my HUD? Oh, okay. Find usage. Oh, does it? Did I? Okay, so I didn't do anything for on possess here, so that's good. Do I have an on possess here? No, I do not. Okay, so it's definitely that. That's weird in all kinds of ways. That is just like all of a sudden not working. So stop, rerun. Creating HUD. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm gonna start by get status, get checkout content. Oh yeah, I've got to close this. I'm just going to revert all of my changes here. Get status, get checkout source, get status. All right. And then we're just going to delete these here. Okay, let's see if this fixes it. I broke it somewhere, and I'm not sure where. And I'm yeah, okay, attribute set is totally broken here. Where did I break it? I probably broke it when I did this. Why? Why does everything hate me? Ah. Okay, let's go to... We're going to close that for now and fix this. If attribute set, not set, we're going to try and... If the attribute... why is this like that? It's weird. Okay. We're going to do that, but we're going to come here and we're going to say find usage. So create HUD is not being called correctly. Find usage. This is the on possessed. So here we're dropping the attribute set. Is invalid at this point for one reason or another. So where do we create the attribute sets? The attribute set is created in the character. No, it's the wrong one. This is the one that I wanted here. And then we'll do... Yeah, here. Right, and we find usage. Let's go to that return here, this one here, and we'll find usage of this. Find usage. Here. So if we say get owning player, we should be able to say set current player here. Find usage. What we're going to do is we're going to change it so we don't actually do this. To do this one here. Get owning player, yeah. And this returns a player controller, right? And then the player controller would be get character. And the get character here would be of the wrong type, but we want to cast it. And I don't think that we can cast it here. I think we actually have to do a manual cast. So like cast like this. And this would be an AGM3 character. And this would be current player character equals. And then this would be current player character. Boom. Okay, so I think this should work. Set current player, line 9. Player controllers, line 21. Player controller 21. Wait, what? Okay, let's try this again. Maybe there was just some wonkiness there. This is going to crash. Yeah, of course. Create HUD. Player controller create HUD. On line 21. Add to viewport. Does not work. I think it's because this needs to not be called here. Then in here, set current player. And then this can't be a const. Let's just get this all worked out. All nice and broken. There we go. Let's come up to here. We'll just put it on the health text for now. Just to try it. Without sending. Let's see if this is probably going to break again. Because of course. Why? Why is it broken? Why did it break all of a sudden? Well, at least this is sort of working. Maybe this needs to be .get. Nope. Never mind. Okay, let's go back to here. Let's change this, so we'll find usage. It said find usage. Find usage. Oh, okay. So it's causing that because of just okay. So I'm just gonna make this a bool. Here. And then here we'll say if attribute set dot is valid, return true. Then if attribute set dot is valid, return true. Actually, we can just do return attribute set dot is valid. And then here we will say if set current player, if not there, trace error setting, error unable to set attribute set. Trace error. This is probably going to cause more errors, all the problems. Ugh. I hate life sometimes. Unable to set attribute set. Yay, our characters don't have attributes. None of our characters have attributes. What if I do this? World setting. Oops. I think I need to save. Save all. Base character. Yeah. What? No. If I just do that, hit play. Save all. Play. How? How? I don't even understand. Oh. Okay, so this one works, but this one doesn't. Why? Why is this the thing? Okay, so if I go over to here, I did this play. That's not what I wanted. Gameplay ability called clear play. With no gameplay effect. Cool. All right, that's fine. Okay, so that's working. So what's the difference? What is the difference here? Why does it work for... Also, why is that character not being taken in? It's supposed to be this guy right here, right? And it's... default pawn. Oh, wait. Here we go. No, that's the... BB... Oh, wait. I need the auto possess, right? Play. Okay, so that works when it's that. Like when it's the base character, it totally works. But when it's not the base character, it doesn't work. So what I'm thinking is maybe I just do this, delete. And then I delete this AI, right? Because the AI doesn't have anything special in it, does it? Yeah, no, the AI doesn't have anything special. So I can just delete the AI, right? So I just delete. Where is it? I think I can just do, there we go. And then I just delete this too. Cancel. File, save all. Delete. There's a reference where? BP AI character. Wait, what? No, this is the one I want to delete. Where's the reference? Asset referencing. It's referencing itself? Or is it the controller? It's the controller, right? No, it's the AI controller, right? Uh, do, do, do. No, not copy reference. Reference viewer. Okay, so game blueprint AI. AI character. Can I delete this? Delete. Browse to asset. Oh, cool. I literally can't even browse to this asset. It's that level of broken. All right, so we're just going to straight up delete this. And we're just going to forcibly delete it. We're just going to say delete, and it's going to be a forcibly delete. Delete, replace with none, force delete. There. Then we're going to just use this here. We're going to move this guy over to here and save content. And this we want to say AI controller. Oops. AI controller to what was it? It was the BP enemy controller. There we go. And then we can save, hit play. Okay, and then this has a rotate or a yaw or whatever, I think. No, it was what was it? It was uh I want to say this one maybe? There. Damn it, there was a thing that I had to do. This one, we're going to rename this. Can we name it? Rename. BP AI character. There. And then here we want to say AI not able to rotate. Huey. I'm assuming rotation to movement. Use controller rotation, yaw. Uncheck use controller rotation, yaw. That's what it was. Use controller. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Save. Okay. Now the AI should have this. So now if I create a blueprint, say BP AI base character. Oh wait, sorry. That's not it. BP base character. Select, and this would be BP AI base character. We should just inherit everything, right? Everything should be exactly the way it is. Cool. And then we needed that use controller rotation yaw, checked, save, compile, close. Now we can delete this AI, and we're going to place this AI in here. And then say save, compile. I didn't mean to hit compile, play. There we go. And then we'll come over here. Character's just not moving at all, of course. Of course. AI. Controller. Needs to be this one. Save, play. There we go. Ah, beautiful. Okay, that should be good. And we go into this UI here, and we've got this enemy health bar. Now, if we go back to the player, we go to the AI base here, we open up this blueprint. Let's see if it works now. Add component. This will be the blueprint, or sorry, this will be a widget. Right? And then here, we'll bring this to here. And then this will be the, no, not that, floating health bar widget. And then save, compile. So make sure that this is actually set up correctly. It does seem to be. Although I think that this doesn't have to be that. I can just be, I delete this and I just put the progress bar there. Right? And then I come back into here and do this. I want to recolor this. to red. Nice deep red. And then we'll do the binding, create the binding. Get health percent. Oh, that is not correct at all. Yeah, no, I screwed that one up real bad. I did an extra binding, did not mean to. Remove binding. Save, compile, save. Okay, graph here. Delete. Save, compile. Beautiful. Okay. All right, let's see if this worked. At least somewhat. Okay, totally do not see it. Again, don't see it for some reason. Okie dokie. Okay, so I'll delete this and we'll do the canvas there, and then we'll do the progress bar there, and then this will anchor in the center. I think that we said that this had to be done. And we'll come down here and bind this to get percent. And then we're going to change this to a nice deep dark red. And then compile, save, play. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, it's definitely not actually being attached to the player, of course, because, you know, why would it? It's because I did it wrong. I set it to the parent, not the blueprint. Enemy health bar. There we go. Save, compile. Let's do it right this time. Oh yeah, there we go. Boom. Look at that, it worked. I'm so happy. It definitely wasn't perfect. Like, it had a delay there for some reason. Why was there a delay? Oh, doesn't seem to be a delay this time. Sweet, it worked. It works. It works. I have no idea what I did, but it's working. Oh, thank you. All right, so that works. Okay, so now we can go to the AI. Wait, what was the actual task here? Add health indicator to enemy character. Okay, we can now remove that, like move that over, come into here. Add a card. I think the delay was because if you're watching the widget from the back, it's not visible. Oh, yeah, you're probably right. I need to make it actually turn. Also, hello Jack, welcome. Sorry if I missed that for a while. Have enemy health widget always face camera. I think this would be a graphics task, right? Save, and then we'll add the cover of yellow. So we're going to do this now, so it's always facing. Set widget to UE, set widget to always face camera. Oh, this is, if you want it to actually face the camera, You have to add a bit more. Wait, what? And keep its position and rotation. This widget always shows in the same place of the screen. Wait. You basically treat it as any other actor. Wait. You basically treat it as any other actor and use find look at rotation function. However, I found that you need to break the rotator down into separate axes to get it to do what you want. What? I'm totally expecting this to like just be like a button. Like I'm expecting it to be like here and then it's like always face camera. Apply camera correction that appears in the world will be a gamma corrected by the 3D rendering. In some cases, widget components are blitted directly into the buffer. No, that's not quite what I wanted. Manual redraw desired size. See camera face. No. See if hardware input. No. Window focusable. Creates a host test invisible. Shared layer. Sure. Do. See. I don't need any replication of physics. Apply impulse on damage. Don't even know what that does. Generate overlap events. This does not need overlap events. Can character step on it? Why does it? It doesn't even need collision. Visible. Is two-sided. I don't think that's correct either. Like, I don't think that it needs to be two-sided. It just needs to always face the character. Huh. I was not expecting this to actually require, like, I was expecting something different. Unreal Engine floating health bar always face camera. Huh. Set widget face camera. Huh. Interesting. Get player camera manager. Location get. Seriously? Why is this not like a button? It feels like it should be a button. I was really expecting this to be a button. I'm actually kind of disappointed here. I think this one's got one. New window. This actually like has one all done in C++. So I'm just going to take a quick look at it, see what's going on here. Hero character. Minion character. Floating status bar. This is what it is. Here's their floating status bar, right? It doesn't have any logic to make it face the camera in C++, it looks like. So maybe it's in... Let's take a look at the actual game. Okay. So how did you create your floating status bar? Here's your status bar. Pass through masked. Wait. Widget component. Okay. Wait. This is so weird. This is an engine material? I have got to be... No, I want the AI. Blue minion. Floating status bar. Stop. This minion here. Spawn red minion, yes. Spawn actor. And this uses minion class red minion here. And this is straight up a... This is different. This is not what I was expecting it to be. Wait, so... What is the type? Okay, so wait. Pass through opaque. Because I think these all always will face the player. Yeah. Ah, interesting. So how did they pull that off? That is a material instance. Yeah. But like, if we look at this, render, where is it? Collision, actor, the red minion, right? We go here, right? So it's this one here, right? Then we come down here and it's for the floating status bar component, it's using this one-way mask instead of what I thought it was going to be using. But then somehow in this one-way mask, right, which is straight up an engine thing, maybe there's some code in the full blueprint. There isn't. It's empty. Let's find usage. Player controller is local player controller. Floating status bar. Set widget. UI floating. Perhaps everything is set inside the material. Okay, let's take a look at the material, right? The indirection is crazy, right? Like, this is weird. I don't see it. I might be blind. Straight up do not see anything referring to it. I think it's a parenting thing, right? Is my guess. So, okay, wait. Status bar component. UI status bar component. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Let's go to here. This is the material here. Or would it be this? No, this is... One sec. Let me move this over here, and then I'll move you on top. That's the instance. Try checking the material. That is the instance. Okay, so this is the instance, right? Okay, wait. All right, so we come back here. All right. So this is the red minion, right? So in the red minion, for the UI floating status bar component, we have the, it's a texture of a widget pass-through mask one-sided. Now, this is created here at begin play, right? So like this wouldn't be a instance, but this would be like this would be passing in the class. At least that's my understanding, right? So then we go here and we open up what that points to, and it's this one here. And then this is the next one that one points to. Then that one points to this one. This is weird. I gotta figure out how this is done. This is crazy. I love this. So what is the type? It's a widget. Okay, so then we go over to here, and this is just a user widget. So we can use this as the base in the one that I've got. Here, here. Yeah, here. This widget, I can delete. And then I can add component. I wonder if I can add the one that I actually made it here. GM BP script component? No. I think it's because they're doing it outside of blueprints. Like they're not adding it this way, they're adding it through the parent, right? And then creating it. And maybe that's why it's able to do it. I think I'm going to keep this for now. Is it a physics material maybe? UI floating. Yeah, so this straight up just is completely different. And that's what allows it to have that. And then we write on top of that material, I think. Right? Or is it because it's using a oh, it's using a material, not a widget class. That's why. That's why it's different. So it is a material, just not a physics material. Wait, where are we? No, we're using the same thing. Never mind. I'm insane. Don't mind me. I'm just crazy. Yeah, no, these are the same. Here, see? Masked one-sided. Yeah, one-sided screen. But they're using none, but then they're setting it at execution time versus us where I'm setting it not at execution time. But then where's the logic to make it visible to the camera? Screen layer. Uh, enable gravity. Yeah, whatever. Let's just figure this one out here. Always face camera. Do create a simple sorry. Make it always face camera. Set rotation based on camera rotation. Is that just like an option that I'm overlooking here? Or maybe it's in here. Do. Performance. Let's see here. Tooltip is enabled. Clipping. Interactions is focusable. Would it maybe be like what if I go back to design here and I click on this? Maybe in here there's a rotation or something like that? Let's see here where we create it, right? This is a minion character here. Begin play. Set up. Oh, wait. That's not the one that we wanted. Set up floating status UI for locally owned player, not AI or server. Weird. do. Okay. This is the hero, but this is the minion. Like Oh, here it is. Find usage. Here we go. Static load class. Build. Okay, set up attachment. Relative location. Widget space. Draw set. Set draw size. So maybe it's this static load? No, it shouldn't be that. But if I look at that there, maybe that has it. If it was moved, please update the reference. Okay, so this would be in game gas UI. This one. Found it. I think you are now using world. I think you are now using world. Try setting widget space to screen. Oh, that's probably what it is. Would it be this one or this one here? World screen. It's probably that. Let's see if this works. This probably is going to work, and it's just going to be. It totally works. There you go. See, it helps when you're smart. when you know things like the person who's feeding me information on the side here. Yeah, the trick. Be good. Be good at things instead of bad at things. Okay, so now we've got that. We can fix that error that we're getting, right? So if we clear this and here, right? Let's actually let's first things first. First things first. Most important. let's get rid of that that constant flow there. Here, we don't need this to let us know over and over again. Cancel. Don't want to anger this here. So we're just going to do this, and we're going to save all. Stop it. There we go. See, I was right. There needed to be something that did it, and there totally was. It's there we go. So this is what we need to do. We need to fix this so we actually have gameplay effects, right? So let's do that, and this will be gas effects. This will be a what was it? It's just a gameplay effect, yeah. Gameplay effect, and this will be GE take damage. Oh, I already have a take damage. There we go. We'll just come into here, and the modifiers, we'll add some modifiers here. So this will be a modifier of the health, and this will be, we'll just add -10. And the reason why it's add is because you don't really have a whole lot of options there. And then we can close that and come over to abilities, and we'll do this one here. gameplay effect, take damage, save, compile. This is the light attack, and here we'll do the heavy attack here, which we're just going to take damage again. Save, compile. And we can change that later, but for now this just works here. Punch landed. Not working. Nobody's taking any damage right now. Punch landed. Look at that. No damage is taken. Okay, content. UI. Let's see if this is actually working, because it should be. Oh yeah, no, it is, because I saw it like streaming over and over again here. Okay, so clear, play. So what's the error here? Yeah. I'm guessing it's going to be in this ability here. We'll start with the light. So here's our light. The payload. Target. Commit ability. Okay. Self target. Target data. Waiting for instigator actor reference. And how did this work again? Gameplay ability, data handle structure. And then the target would be who we hit. Is that in here? No, we want the target. Gameplay ability object reference. Actor object. This would be get gameplay. No. Wait, what would the gameplay ability target data handle structure? Payload. Only target once. Only match exact. This is a gameplay ability. It's the tag. Object reference. Now, how did I do this? There's a way to do this, and I'm getting there slowly. Okay, let's see. Gameplay ability object reference. Target, the effect level, and the stack. But there's a YouTube video that I should probably watch. Gameplay ability system v4. This guy here. It's near the end here. There's the play montage stuff. Oh, here we go. No, this is the overlap stuff. Did I forget to do a step here? Huh. All right. Well, I got something wrong, and I'm not quite sure what. Spent a lot of time reading over that, like looking over that. Let me see if I can just find that one where he had that set up. Yeah, so he's just got this set up exactly this way with the target data. But here it's not working, even though it should be working. Take damage. Apply to self. The payload there. Wait gameplay event. Okay. Save, compile. Player. It's so confusing. Is valid index true? Get instigator. Yeah, and get target. This is who we hit. Ability, target data from actor, target data. Then we send gameplay event to actor, which is this. Wait for gameplay event, which here's our payload. And this should play the take damage, which should do this to the health. Unless I've set up health incorrectly. Health is rep always. Yeah, this is all correct. So I don't know why it's not wanting to work. Let's see if this is even being called here. Because this should only be being called on the enemy, right? So let's do a trace. We'll do else if attribute equal. Else if attribute is equal to get health attribute. Trace. Doing something to help. File, save all. Play. Let's see if it works. It's probably not going to work. Okay, so now we can go to the log. We're going to clear the log because we don't want all of that. here we'll clear this log again. Yeah. Oh. No gameplay queue. Default INI under to do. Doing something to health. Okay, so it did actually do something. BP base character 2. Doing something to health. That's cool. So let's grab some more data here. So it's doing something to health. Now, did I put this on the post or the, yeah, this is the post. Okay. So let's see. Health. We'll say that. And this will be attribute dot get dot data. No, it was oh wait, yeah, we're just gonna do get health, right? And then we want to say character name. Get get actor info. Let's see. Okay, so actor info. So there's get actor info. Get selected actor info. Get character. Oh, no. Okay, so we'll say get actor info. Oh, wait. Get owning actor. Get name. That's what we wanted. And that needs to be that, right? Oops. This goes here, and that goes here. There we go. Rerun. Okay. Compute logs. Play. Let's clear this one more time. Character name. Oh, cool. It is working. Look at that. It works. It's just not visible. And health doesn't clamp. Should we do it here? I think so. Actually, no, that still went through stuff. This is the pre. I think we'll do it here. Else if attribute is equal to get health attribute. Float of new value. So here we'll say get health. And this will be a float new health. This will be a const f math max get health and new value, and then set health new value. Or sorry, new health. New health. There we go. Beautiful. Recompile. So I think there's a tick issue where it's not updating correctly, and that's probably why. So we fix that, and then we're good to go. Oh, that crashed. Close without sending. All right, I'm just going to move this down here. Oh, wait, that's not what I wanted anyways. I want this to be 0. But I'm just going to move this down. Something get health. There. There you go. Get health. Set health. Play. All right, play. Let's see. Interesting. The health is still broken. Let's see if they character. Okay, yeah. Weird. Oh, wait, did I not compile? Is that why? I think I forgot to compile. Yeah. Do 5. What? What? This shouldn't be possible. Oh, wait. That's why. I said it first. That's why. Don't mind me. And I think in this case, these need to be flipped. Although, like, why was it going down past 5 is a good question, because like at 5 it should stop, right? Like it should yeah, not work. Look at that, it's not working. Boom. Totally not working. But also, like, it's okay, it's down to 10. Now, at least I know why that's working that way. Although it shouldn't. It shouldn't be that. Oh no, it does. It should be that. No, I'm insane. I'm insane. Don't mind me. Because if I do this, then it will be correct. Okay, but why is it not updating? Why is it not updating the widget? Here. Trace. Updating widget. Or updating health. Updating health. Let's see. Does it work? Does it work? It might work. It's probably not going to work. What was the error? Oh, it wasn't an error. It was just punched. So fun. Why is the health wrong though? This is supposed to just work. Why is this not working all of a sudden? Ugh. So we'll say health. It's F. Max health is F. This will be essentially this. Oh, weird. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Rerun. Mm. Okay. Logs, clear, play. Yeah, it's not updating at all. So I've probably got something else that's overriding it. Probably have something overriding it. Something is most definitely overriding it. I think it's the derived. It might be the derived class thingies. Because I think that... Let's go to the AI and find out here. Default attributes. Let's just do this. Save, compile. Yeah. Hit play. Let's see if this works. No, it's still wrong. It's got to be like, what if I remove these derived? Just do this. Save, compile. GM3. Default starting data. There we go. So we'll see if this works. So it's there. Okay, so it's got to be something in the C++. Totally something in the C++. Get. Oh. Okay. Maybe I should not use the max here and just use... No, because this was working. It works here, but it's not propagating to the user. Now, why wouldn't it be propagating to the user? I think I'm going to take a break. I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to take a break here because I've been at this for a while and I'm just running into roadblocks at this point. Anyways, all right, yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I'll probably be back. I'll be back tomorrow for more streaming, but thank you to everybody who showed up and chatted and subscribed or whatever, or liked, or all those YouTube things that I can never remember. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see some of or all of or a couple of you or whatever tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.